Catherine. My name is Chhang Jye Harng. Today I'm going to talk about my proposal for assignment 2 and 3. This is the title of my research. The importance of information flow and communication channel for decision making among employees in organization. For my introduction, decision making is one of the most critical activities in any organization. Communication plays important roles in organization for making decisions among employees. According to NAT, it claims that some of the decisions made in organizations fail because of the poor use of decision-making tactics as well as the communication problems. This research will investigate different types of information flow such as vertical or horizontal and channel of communication such as face-to-face, written or computer devices used for decision-making among employees in an organization. This research also investigates the important roles of information flow and communication channel and how they take place for decision-making among employees in an organization. These are two objectives of this study. The first objective is to explore the role of communication in organization for decision-making. The second objective is to study different types of information flow and channel of communication which affect decision-making among employees in organization. This research will lead future employees some effective ways of decision-making by using different types of information flow and also communication channel, and it will suggest improvement. My first journal article is written by Barry, entitled "Can Computer-Mediated Asynchronous Communication Improve Team Processes and Decision-Making?" I chose this journal article because it identifies different types of communication channel and also differentiates face-to-face communication with computer-mediated communication in decision-making. This is my second journal article written by Louis. This journal article develops and identifies different types of information flow such as downwards, upwards, horizontally, vertically, and so on. For my third journal article, this is a past case study which reflects my research because it focuses the importance of both information flow and communication channel, and it also identifies the effective ways in decision making among employees in an organization. For my last journal article, which is written by Miller, this journal article talks about functional theory of group decision making, which I will be using for my research, and it identifies how group communication can enhance the decision making. These are my research questions. The first research question is, how does information flow affect the decision making among employees in an organization? The second research question will be, which is the most effective communication channels for decision making among employees in an organization? I will be using interview as my qualitative research method. I have chosen Young Brothers Sendrian Berhad, which is a printing company, and this company contains 20 staff. And I'm going to interview 3 key persons, including the chairman, the manager, and the staff. I will be using, for my data analysis, all interviews are recorded and transcriptions are provided. And last, all results will be compared. For my proposal assignment 3, inside my portfolio content, I will include the learning outcome from lectures and tutorial classes, readings, group activities, and discussion in class. Relevant media story is needed for weekly learning outcome. For the format of my portfolio, I will choose full color magazine, and final essay will be embedded together on the last page of the magazine. This is for my topic essay. I choose topic 1. Discuss reasons why hierarchies of power persist in organizations despite the development of theories and approaches that propose alternative means of organizing that are not only more efficient but preferable to people within an organization, and also what impact this has on communication and decision making. Consider which approaches are most relevant when answering this question, but ensure that you specifically reference classical approaches and at least 2 other approaches. Thank you.